are you tracking your time? Because I have started tracking my time religiously for the past 2-3 months, and it's been such an insane life changer. And I want to share with you my favorite tool to track time that I have found that makes it like really seamless to do compared to competitors that there exist in the market. So I've used Toggl before, for example, where you have to manually switch the task whenever you switch a task. So you have to like go into the app, you have to change the task that you're working on, and press play and press stop when you stop working on it, which is like the basic kind of time tracking tool functionality that I think most time tracking tools have. There are also some that track, for example, what you're doing on a screen. So if you are in a Chrome tab or on a particular website, it tracks this time as working hours. I have my problems with it because I can be on LinkedIn and I can be writing a LinkedIn post, which is work, or I can be on LinkedIn and I can just be scrolling and wasting my time. So what do I count it as? It's work and it's also entertainment. So it's a bit of a mix. So my problem with these tools was that, I have to manually track and I forget to press pause, press play, stuff like that. So this tool solves that issue. As you can see on the top right corner of my screen right now, it asks you, or it asks me periodically, what am I doing? So it asks me right now, what are you currently doing? And I have these options to choose from because I've been using this app for a long time. I can start typing filming and then Maria filming, and I can just select that and select the check mark. And then what it does, it asks me every 10 minutes what I'm doing. On the top like navigation bar corner here, you can see this icon. You can click on this icon, you can see your breakdown of all of your tasks for today. So what you did, how many hours you spent on it. You can see I had some meetings, I worked on LinkedIn, some branding tasks and admin. And this was yesterday. I did also a lot of admin, some accounting, some branding, some meetings, LinkedIn, and I overworked a bit. Then Friday, for example, I worked 8 hours here, LinkedIn, meetings, SEO, branding. Pretty straightforward, but I can see the breakdown of every single task in here. And I can also see the breakdown for the week, which is this week it's still Tuesday, so it's a short week. Last week you can see LinkedIn took up most of my time. SEO, meetings, branding, ads. The week before that it was SEO on first place, and then LinkedIn and meetings and ads again. This is just amazing, and you can also see this for a month as well, and for the year. I'm very looking forward to seeing my yearly breakdown. It's life-changing. It's life-changing. I mean it. Like, it's amazing. Every time, like, for example, when I need design support or when I need any support for the marketing team, I can say, okay, I've spent 20 hours last week on copywriting. Maybe I can collaborate with a freelance copywriter and it would save me 20 hours of my time. You can argument so much better for support you need, for see where you can optimize, where you can automate, where you could improve just your workflow maybe. Just wanted to share that I'm in love. And it doesn't cost that much. I've paid 30 euros, I believe, for the year, which is, I think, here, 29.99, which is totally fair. I love this app so much. Like I said, they don't pay me to say this, of course. I just really love it, and it's changed my work forever. So, like, thank you so much. Okay, hope you try it out. Let me know what you think if you do, and chat soon. Bye.